Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Newtral Ergonomic Office Chair. So, without further ado, let's go to the video. They have designed this chair with people's comfort in mind. The main feature of this chair is that it has a lumbar support system in the part where we lean after sitting. The chairs were drawn. We can adjustable this as much as we want. This means that when we are sitting on it, our other natural movements follow this system. It has adjustable seat depth, reclining function, and 4D armrests, so you can enjoy super comfortable sitting. You can move the seat of this chair in a range of 96 degrees and 136 degrees. It is adjustable to make your spine comfortable. You can also adjust the headrest angle and height for neck comfort. They say that this chair is suitable for people from 5 feet 3 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. They also say that you can install it yourself in a short time. The most important thing is that Newtral Company gives it a 3-year warranty. So what do you think of this chair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Details for purchase are in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to the Luxury Gadgets Zone YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Good luck!